let's give a warm hand to the Nobel Laureates. So this is Professor Tomas Lindahl, who is you can see here, Nobel Laureate in Chemistry of 2015. And also we have Professor Richard Robert, and he was the laureate in Physiology or Medicine, 1993. If you have a question for the Nobel laureates, what
we should do to get more Nobel persons?
Some advice has to be to the government. Research does cost some money, and you have to provide good funding for scientists and for science. Not all of that money will be well spent, but some of it will be extremely well spent and lead to no progress, and that will help create an international profile for India.
And so I always advise young people to take risks. Ask why people think something one way, and if you're not satisfied with the answer, then test it for yourself. Very often you'll say, oh, what would happen if I did this? A teacher will say, or a mentor will say, oh, we know what happens, but maybe they don't know what happens, and maybe you can go ahead and do an experiment. So I think it's very important for young people to get involved in taking risks, and don't listen too hard to the older people, because we don't know everything.